time dimension. We now know what dimensions are. Let's look at a number of different types of dimensions. The first dimension is the time dimension. Each report has a timescale. The values in the report are linked to, for example, a day or a month. Often a report is requested for a specific time period, for example, from year to year or the last quarter. That's why we always need a timescale. The nice thing is that a time dimension is a normal dimension. It is thus a common dimension table that contains fields that relate to the time factor. These are fields with a date unit. Okay, what does that look like? Here we have a dimension table with a date, also called dim date, dim time, or dim calendar. At the top, you will see a key with a date key. That is the key used to link each line from the fact table to a date in the date table. The date table contains fields with extended date attributes. For example, here you will find the name of a date, possibly in multiple languages, the number of the month, the number of the day, the name of the day, the number of the quarter, etc. This table can be expanded as necessary. What is important is that you obviously also have a hierarchy. How does the hierarchy work when you're working with weeks? Often, weekly reports with week numbers are requested. You will then notice that if you are using a hierarchy from year to month to week, it won't work well. It will overlap. So, in this case, two different hierarchies have been created. One for year to week, and one for year to quarter to month to day. Please note that this does not happen in the table itself. The table does not change. It is still dim date, but the data warehouse software offers the possibility to create the hierarchy.